I trained as a chef in France originally when I was younger, realized that I couldn't hack it, so I decided I wanted a job with air conditioning. I went into marketing and then started a marketing agency after being fired from my job in 2012, and I sold that agency in 2016. Now I spend most of my time doing CrossFit, walking my dog, or doing things around the house, and helping marketing agencies like you sell more marketing funnels to your customers. I started this channel and the business because I wanted to help marketing agencies like you make more money, live a better life, and spend less time at the office. I run the business around 3 core values: have courage, commit, and take action. Have courage means have the courage to be disliked. Go out, push yourself, try new things, and expect that some people won't like it. Commit means commit to results until you see results. It means if you're not going to do something 1,000 times, don't do it once, but when you've committed, you've got to keep working at that goal until you start to see results. And take action means take action today, because you'll be able to change it later. 60% done is done. So why does learning about sales funnels matter? Well, the world is full of talented, smart, and really clever individuals who are way better at what they do than I am, and yet they don't make as much money. Most entrepreneurs don't earn what they deserve because they lack the skills to be able to speak up for themselves and put themselves in a good light. Typically, we call this sales. Best-selling books on Amazon aren't always the best written. The best-selling courses online aren't always the best ones. Everyone knows they can make a better burger than McDonald's, so why aren't they making more money than McDonald's? It's because best-selling products are packaged in a way that delivers value and perceived value to the customer way before they even buy something. On the other hand, there are incredible life-changing technologies and services and business owners out there who aren't able to change the world because they're not getting out to a wide enough market. They basically lack a sales process, which is to say they lack the ability to take people who have no idea that they exist and turn them into happy, profitable, repeat clients who refer them to their friends. Look, you wouldn't marry someone without going on a first date with them, so why do people try to do the same with business? It's all about relationships, and it's all about building trust. At its very core, funnels are about building trust with your audience. There's 3 basic parts of a sales funnel: top of funnel, mid funnel, and bottom of funnel. The top of funnel is where we attract new leads. We basically get people to put their hand up and say, yes, I'm interested in learning more about this. I want to be a part of this audience. The middle of the funnel is where we capture and nurture. This is where we actually take contact information and begin to build a relationship with them by learning about them and having them learn about us. And the bottom of the funnel is where we turn leads into customers. This is where we try to convert people who have said that they're interested and work out, does it make sense for us to work together? If any of that resonated with you, or you want to hang out with me on my channel where I produce new videos every single week, then go ahead and click subscribe. In the meantime, I'd love for you to check out my video on modern day sales training, or watch the entire playlist on sales training. Thanks very much for watching my channel trailer. In the meantime, I'll see you around on the channel. Have courage, commit, and take action.